I'm sure you had good bad. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Oh, welcome back to Revenue. So today we are back with another roll and save video, and we're going to go ahead and see how much we can cash stuff in each envelope. Currently I have $10, so we're going to count this money, make sure it's accurate. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11 actually. Okay, that's even better. So before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is a savings channel. We are saving money for the future. So with this particular binder, this is my Spoil Her binder, and what I'm going to do is cash stuff as many envelopes as I can using the dice to pretty much guide me by giving me the amount of money I need to cash stuff in each envelope. And basically, I'm saving for my birthday for next year. My birthday is June 23rd. So we're going to see how many envelopes we can cash stuff. And then come next year when it's close to my birthday, I will show you guys the total amount that we have saved in the binder overall. So if you're into these type of videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take the dice and let's roll and save. Okay, so birthday is going to get $5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we have hair. Hair is also going to get $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to leave me with $1. I noticed in my previous videos I kept saying that I'm going to roll 3 times if I don't get the number right the first time, and then I only was rolling 2 times. So I'm going to make sure that I roll 3 times after the initial roll to give myself a chance to at least hit the number 1, okay? Because the goal is to cash stuff this money. So let's see if we can hit it. Okay, it's $2. $3. Okay. $4. So this next roll will make our third roll after our initial one. So please let me get this dollar, please. Fell behind. And it's $3. So we're not going to cash stuff any money this go around into hygiene, but that's okay. I'll just save it and cash stuff it another time. So now we're going to go ahead and count and see how much money we have in each envelope. So for birthday, we have 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3. $53 in birthdays. So that is awesome. Next we have hair. And so now we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, $47 for hair. And hygiene, we have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Miscellaneous, we have 20, 25, 26. For nails, we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. For perfume, we have 20, 1, 2, 3. For self-care, we have 10, 15, 16. And lastly, for shopping, we have 21. Okay, so I think we're making great progress with our envelopes for our birthday next year. So I'm super duper excited about that. So leave a comment below if you guys are following along with me. Do you feel like this is helpful with you being able to save some type of money regardless of the amount? Do you guys feel like you know, this is something you can see yourself doing if you're not following along, which is perfectly fine? Or what type of budgeting savings, shall I say, techniques do you guys use? And again, if you're into these type of videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.